Hey everybody, it's Pat Walley with Dignity Credit Solutions here live in Folsom, California with another issue of Credit Matters. Now today we're going to talk about how fast can you actually raise your credit score. We've already discussed, is credit repair legal? Of course it is. And what is a credit score and why is it important? And we also talked about how the different bureaus report your number, your risk management number basically, and that's your credit score. It's a 3-digit number between 300 and 850. Hi, Chandra. So today we're going to talk about how fast can you raise that score. Now, me personally, I was able to raise my score. The best I ever did was a 50-point jump in 1 month. 50 points. Now, part of that was I was pretty low already, so 50 points from a low score was a pretty good increase. I think I went from 550 to 600 or something like that. Anyway, my total increase was over 200 points on my FICO score, so that was pretty instrumental in me getting some credit for my business and some personal credit matters taken care of. So how fast can you make your credit jump? Well, I have some strategies that I use that I've, through a lot of research and a lot of practice, have found an Accelerate to Zero program and also a way to increase your score in a month without spending any additional money. It's just about when you pay. So if you have credit card debt, that's most everybody listening today. If you have credit card debt and you're just paying on the first or whenever the bill's due, there's a possibility that you are actually hurting your score. Now, if you pay your credit cards off every month, bravo. I'll just tell you my story. I had a $500 limit credit card because that's how I started my repair. And after several months of having it, I thought my credit score would go up because I was paying it off every month. And yet my credit score went down. What was going on? Well, turns out I was paying it at the wrong time. So when it reported to the credit bureaus, it had a max use of I kept about $490 on it. So it was showing, 90% utilization, which that's 33% of your credit score is how much of your credit are you using. So tip number 1 to get your score up, get your utilization down, spread it out, get it low. We help do that for you. So how fast can you raise your score? I've seen scores go up, like I said, 50 points in a month, sometimes more. Contact us at dignitycreditsolutions.com, or you can just leave a message here on Facebook and I'll reach back out to you. Pat Walley coming at you live from Folsom, California with Dignity Credit Solutions. You have a blessed day.